blind spot not working in this car, and now working. See, off, on. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Elantra 2021 model. This car have a problem, blind spot collision warning, BCW system. Here you can see blind spot not working. When I press already start car, you can see blind spot not working. That's the problem. So in this video I will show you why this warning light came and how you can solve this problem. Okay, first of all, check with your diagnosis tool why this warning light came, blind spot, then trouble code, control module slab missing calibration. That means slab control module calibration have some problem. Okay, now we calibrate this slab module calibration. Here you can see BSD radar calibration. Press the function seat blind spot detection radar after replacement. The calibration procedure clean and missing calibration procedure. Okay, turn off the ignition key, wait 5 seconds and then ignition on and press OK. Turn off ignition key, then wait 5 seconds, then turn on ignition, press OK. See, the DTC is successfully been cleared the vehicle. That means radar calibration is done. Okay, now we check here, radar calibration radar fault already gone. This is another fault for front radar. So now we check blind spot. Here you can see working. Before this is not working. See, off and on. Here see, working. Before blind spot not working. See, now perfect. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.